Hi, and welcome to Stop and Jot as a basic reading comprehension skill. When we stop and jot, we want to first chunk the text to make it manageable, whether it's one paragraph at a time or 2 or 3 paragraphs. We want to analyze the information given in the title of the text. It gives us clues. Also take a look at images or pictures. We want to pay attention to words that repeat themselves. This gives you a foundation to understand the main idea. This strategy helps track our thinking and our understanding of the text. It helps us locate information easily when answering comprehension questions or when trying to find evidence when we answer questions. So, how do we stop and jot? We can stop and jot by using complete sentences or bulleted notes. You can use these sentence starters. I learned, I think, I wonder, I believe, I infer, I notice, or this paragraph is about. Whatever makes you comfortable. Reading is fluency, it's accuracy, and it's comprehension. These 3 elements have to be present in order to be a good reader. So, fluency, accuracy, and comprehension. Now that you have background knowledge about stopping and jotting, I'm going to do a demo lesson the way I would do it in the classroom. So, first of all, remember what I said, you want to chunk your text. And as a teacher, it's important that you preview the text so you know where the most appropriate places are for chunking the text. In this case, I'm going to chunk the text of 4 paragraphs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The title of the text is Crocodiles, the Cousins of Dinosaurs. So I'm looking at the title and also looking at the photograph. It already gives me some idea and a little bit of the background knowledge as to what this text is going to be about. I know that the crocodiles that I know of that live today are cousins to dinosaurs. Dinosaurs that became extinct long ago. So I can tell there's a connection between the animals of today, crocodiles specifically, and dinosaurs, the prehistoric animals. And it even has a photograph, like I said, to help me understand and build my knowledge as to what the crocodile looks like. And I'm sure that somewhere in the text, it's going to describe maybe teeth, maybe the body formation. So I'm sure it's setting me up for comprehension. Let's go ahead and begin. Dinosaurs died out about 65 million years ago, but some animals that were cousins to the dinosaurs are still around today. These dinosaur cousins are the crocodiles. So I know this paragraph talks about dinosaurs. And it's also letting me to understand that dinosaurs died 65 million years ago, but they have dinosaur cousins that we know of now are called the crocodiles. So I pre-jotted for the sake of time. Remember, you can pre-jot ahead of time and have some notion as to what it is you want students to grasp as the gist of it. But you also want to allow students to generate their own stopping and jotting when doing this collaboratively so that they better understand how to do it independently. So if I'm doing a sentence jotting, it might look something like this. Dinosaurs died a long time ago, but their cousins, the crocodiles, still live. That's pretty much the gist of that paragraph. Or if I do it in bulleted form, I know that this paragraph talked about dinosaurs. They died 65 million years ago. They have cousins that still live, and those are crocodiles. Let's keep going. In 2009, scientists found the fossils of some very old crocodiles. These ancient crocodiles lived 100 million years ago. They were not exactly the same as crocodiles today, but they were close. Okay, so I know that it's teaching me about fossils that are very old. Fossils are very old. Okay, these crocodile fossils are over 100 million years old. Okay. And even though they're not exactly the same as the crocodiles today, they are very close. That means that they share similar characteristics. So in this paragraph, again, this is my sentence. I learned that fossils from ancient crocodiles were discovered. They resemble today's crocodiles. Or if I do a bulleted jot, I know that this paragraph is about fossils that were found. Old crocodile fossils were found. The fossils are 100 million years old, and they're very similar to crocodiles of today. Notice how when I bullet my jotting, I create a topic, because that's also the way that this text is set up. Each paragraph offers a topic of its own. The first one was dinosaurs. The next one is fossils. So it helps me understand it. Let's keep reading. The fossils showed scientists that there were different kinds of ancient crocodiles. Crocodiles the size of dogs ate plants and grubs. Others were 20 feet long and had 3 rows of teeth. These toothy crocodiles even ate dinosaurs. Okay, so what is this paragraph exactly showing me or telling me? What does the author want me to understand? Okay, so I know that fossils showed something. It showed that crocodiles came in different sizes. I see the word size. And it also talked about what they ate. Okay, and I know that some of them ate dinosaurs and some of them ate plants. So in my jot, I'm going to say that I learned that ancient crocodiles were plant eaters and meat eaters, and that they came in different sizes. If I do a bulleted jot, it would look something like this. My topic would be ancient crocodiles. What about ancient crocodiles? They came in different sizes and they had different diets. Okay. Lastly, but not least, today's crocodiles live in many different parts of the world. It does not take much effort to picture them among those long gone dinosaurs. Unlike dinosaurs, though, these creatures are still around. So, what is the gist of this paragraph? I'm going to place it right on top. So, this paragraph is telling me that today's crocodiles are alive today and that they live in different parts of the world. This is my bulleted form of jotting, but my sentence form would look something like this. I learned that today's crocodiles live in different parts of the world. Okay, so, and I got those clues because my topic again is today's crocodiles. Okay, they live in different parts of the world. Okay, and they're alive today, unlike the dinosaurs. So that's what the author intended for me to learn. Now, not only is this beneficial for comprehension, and I'm chunking my text and really analyzing what the text says and thinking about it as I go, I'm going to get the whole picture when trying to understand it. But when text is followed by comprehension questions, by also jotting down what that paragraph is about, giving it a topic, it will be easier to locate answers. So for example, if a question was about fossils, I know that I might find it in paragraph 2 or 3. So these are some of the benefits of really stopping and jotting. Not only is it comprehension and understanding the text at a much deeper level. But when followed by comprehension questions, it makes it easier for students to locate the answer and to be able to identify evidence that backs up their answer. I hope this is beneficial and I hope you found it useful. Hopefully this is something that you will continue to use or start using if you haven't when you're reading text. It's appropriate for any age with any text. See you soon. Thank you for reading with me today. I hope this was useful. Till next time.